Hello guys, today we see Japan versus Empire of Japan. Capital, Tokyo, Kyoto, Tokyo City, Tokyo. Official languages, Japanese language for both Japan and Empire of Japan. Born, 1947, 1868. Dissolved, Japan not dissolved yet, 1947. Age, more than 75 years, 79 years. Area, nearly 378,000 square kilometers, 0.59% of world area, 7.4 million square kilometers, 3.85% of world land area. Population, 125 million, 1.57% of world population. 304 million, 13.2% of world population. Density, 330.7 per kilometer squared, 41 per square kilometer. Government, unitary parliamentary constitutional monarchy, absolutely monarchy, semi-constitutional monarchy. Head of the government, Prime Minister, Emperor. Longest reign, Shinzo Abe, 2006, 2007 and 2012 to 2020 total 9 years. Emperor Meiji, 1868 to 1912 total 45 years. First Emperor or Prime Minister, Ito Hirobumi, 1885 to 1888 total 3 years. Emperor Meiji, 1868 to 1912 total 45 years. Last Emperor or Prime Minister, Fumio Kishiro, 2021 to present total 1 year. Hirohito, 1926 to 1947 total 21 years. Major religions, Shinto dominated by Japan and followed by Buddhism. Buddhism dominated by Empire of Japan and followed by Shinto. Military comparison, nickname, Japan Self-Defense Force, Imperial Japanese Army. Active personnel, 247,150, more than 6 million. Battle tanks, 1,004, more than 10,000. Aircraft, 1449, 65,000. Warships, 155, 2,000. Aircraft carriers, 0, 20. Submarine, 20, more than 200. Defense budget, $49 billion, $28 billion. Victory, 100%, 63%. Defeat, 0%, 18%. Inconclusive, 0%, 19%. Currency name, yen, again yen and Japanese military currency. GDP nominal, $5.3 trillion, $286 billion. GDP per capita, $42,400, $941. Most spoken language, Japanese 120 million, Mandarin Chinese 196 million. Most populated subdivisions, Tokyo 37.2 million, occupied China 200 million. Largest subdivisions by area, Hokkaido 83,450 square kilometers, occupied China 3 million square kilometers. Most populated city, Tokyo 37.2 million, again Tokyo 8.7 million. Top allies, United States, United Kingdom, NATO, European Union and etc. Germany, Italian Empire and etc. Top enemies, North Korea, China, Russia and etc. Republic of China, United States, Soviet Union, United Kingdom and etc. Income source, manufacturing, industrialization. Today parts of, one country,